Does your business need help to widen its reach and gain more sales? Let the FX design team help you with your branding and marketing to showcase your services, products, and craftsmanship. In recent years, one of the most popular and effective ways to reach customers has been through social media marketing. You might be thinking, I barely know how to use social media. Or maybe you're familiar, but you just don't have the time to create consistent, engaging content. As contractors, we've learned just how much social media can impact the growth of a business. It did for us. And here at the FX Design Team, we're assisting others in growing their businesses too. We're here to guide you on your journey in marketing by assisting with your brand and developing a social media scheduling plan customized for your business. We provide a variety of services for you to expand your business. Our division has successfully gained nationwide attention for our craftsmanship of designing and building extreme water features. Contact us today and let us show you how we can grow your business.